Hey, what's up, guys? So, this is our cat. Hi, say hi to the audience. Dang, okay. Oh, okay, guys, so, this is, he's trying, this is his hiding spot under this, right here, the bathtub. He goes under there, but, because we don't know why, because he's done. But we're trying to make a video, okay? We already stopped this 2 times already. So, okay, guys, so I hope this is a good enough for you guys, and we're good. Say hello. Good morning. Good morning, Tiger. Morning. How are you? How are you?
Good.
How'd you sleep?
Good.
You can't sleep under there. You can't sleep under there, buddy.
Yes, I can.
You want to sleep in that tote again?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. You really want to?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Then this is what I talk. Okay, guys, so I don't know what's going on with him. He's like so annoying. Okay.
What?
Okay. What? What'd you say? Cause you oh. Okay. They're going in there. Come on. Come on. Sam, can you put? Hey, other assistants, can you put that in there, please? Can you help me? Yeah, come on. Okay, guys. So she's in there because she's being a bad boy.
Let me out here.
Hey, you said you did it.
Let me out here.
You made me.
Let me out here. Meow.
Here, you can talk to them. Are you okay?
No.
Why?
You just locked me in a basket.
Because you were being a bad boy.
It's like you were being a brat.
Guys, I'm taking you out. I hit you, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for hitting you. Okay, guys, so I do not know what's happening. He's starting to be mean.
Yep.
So he is being a... So I may take away his food for 1 day.
What?
Or a week. Or 2 days. Did you hear me? Oh. I'm just kidding, guys. I won't actually do that to him. Say, are you sorry? Will you stay in there for the rest of your life? I mean, for 1 day. Okay, you get it out, because if you're nice. Promise to be nice? Then you have to say yes.
Or whatever. Kid.
Okay, you're gonna come out, just for now. Oh, I almost hit you, I'm sorry. Hey, no, you can't go out. Oh God, I'm stuck.
How sorry was really?
So you talk to them, okay?
Just flat iron sniffles here. Let me try. It does completely nothing.
Let me try doing this.
Okay. It's probably not working because.
Oh my God. You had it unplugged. Okay, so you're gonna be nice now? Or you're staying in this corner?
Mine.
Okay, you can come out.
No.
And you're not coming out. You have to talk to them. Say you're sorry to them.
Guys are not sorry at all. My owner is a rat.
Okay, that's good. They're coming back in there. They're getting back in there. Oh. Can you help me, assistant? groom you. You're okay. Oh yeah, we also groomed this cat, Tiger.
Get me out of here right now, kid.
Bro, yo, that noise. Assistant, you better not let him out.
I won't.
But you have to. What do you do? Okay. So I don't know why this is happening. Is he out?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You're fired.
What?
Cause you let him out.
No, I didn't.
Guys, did you think she let him out?
I did not let him out, guys.
Hey, did she let you out?
Oh, he just hissed at you.
Hey, no. You better stay. You're coming with me. In there, whether you like it or not. Okay, guys, we're gonna move this over to his bed where I usually talk to you guys. Cause she won't escape. Now you have to come back.
Come on, kitty.
Guys, we'll be with you in a second. Ah! Okay, we're gonna
Come on, kitty.
vacuum.
Come on, kitty.
Come on, kitty. Hey, can you help me real quick?
No, you said I was tired.
No, you ain't. You'll get paid extra.
How much?
Like $10, $3,000 an hour.
Okay.
And no letting him out.
I won't.
And can you go eat my name for me?
No.
Then stop.
Oh, yeah. Escape one way or the other.
Oh God, what? Okay, guys. So,
Whether I let him out or
okay, guys. So, this is so this cat is so reckless.
Here. Hey.
You hear that? Okay, so guys, it's gonna be the end of the episode soon. So you're good. So we're gonna go and do this. Right now, we're just doing some plain old stuff, and my mate is doing whatever she's doing. I don't know. What do you say to get out? Then you're not getting out in no cans of wet food. Cause you love wet food. And no catnip. You better be nice or I'm taking away everything that you own. Yes, if you be nice. You have to be nice. Hey, if I pet you, would you be nice?
No.
If I give you catnip, would you be nice?
You're one of these nice.
Okay, if I be nice, would you be nice?
Probably not.
So, if I let you out, would you be nice?
Probably not.
Because I'm letting you out. You can go. Be free. Be free. Do you just want to stand there for the rest of your life? Guys, look at this cat. Look at this dude. Yeah, you can go. Don't go back to that corner. You better not go back there. Here, let's do a pre-rub sis. A free
First curl. Down.
Okay, so guys, this is the cat.
Where's the cat? Oh.
So this is the cat, Tiger. If you haven't got to see her up close yet.
Damn.
Cause I keep calling her, him, her. No, don't go back there! Can you come out, please?
Oh.
she say?
It says, oh.
Hey, babies, can you please come out? I'll give you catnip.
No.
I'm gonna go get it. Come on, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go get your food. Hey, you ready to eat?
He went underneath the bathtub.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Gina.
I'm joking.
Hey guys, we're gonna eat.
Dad, why are you doing this? You never feed me.
Hey, you can come out and eat.
Why do I want to eat your food?
Then I'm gonna go get some water. I gotta get some water. Bailey, no!
Bailey came out.
No, she didn't.
Yeah, he did.
I'm still sick.
He came out for a second or two and then he went back in.
Hey, Bailey, time for you to eat.
I don't want to.
It's lunchtime. Here, you can eat that whenever it's time for you to be done with your done being a baby.
I'm being a what?
Done being a baby.
I'm not being a baby.
Then why don't you come and eat?
Because I don't want to.
I'll eat it.
You're gross. You're going to eat cat food?
I'll get you some catnip with it.
Nah.
Like a lot of catnip.
Nah.
The whole thing?
Nah.
Dang, you're so greedy. What do you want to come out?
Nothing.
$1 million?
I'm really never going to come out.
$1 million?
No.
Okay, guys, can we hit
You know what I really want?
what?
I really want
What?
1 million bags of cat food.
I'll give you 1,
No.
10,
No.
11,
No.
20,
No.
1,000,
I said 1 million.
9,099.
Nope.
That's one off of catnip.
Exactly.
Okay, $1 million.
Yes.
Come out then.
First, you have to buy me. And here comes Charlie.
What? How'd you get in? How'd you get in? Did you let him in?
No, I was sitting here the entire time.
I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm gonna make sweet tea. And guys, if you want to know what I'm eating granola bowl.
Yeah, so big.
Don't take it.
Can you give me a cup?
Mama, I don't want the cup.
And ice. And ice.
Okay, so I'm gonna go over to my thing. So be all. Okay, guys. So we're back. I'm eating, and my sister is going to go get her food. And I am staying right here for now. Okay, so Tiger ain't coming out. I don't know what to do. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna take you back. Be right back. Boom! And now we're back. Say hi. Oh, God. Can you get him?
No. I'm not grabbing him.
Come on. This one's mine. This one. So guys, I don't know what to do, but peace. We're gonna upload every day. Is that okay with you?
Probably.
Probably every day. So peace.